Welcome to this tutorial on how to use lipstick properly. Lipstick is one of the most common cosmetics used by women to enhance their beauty. However, many women struggle with the proper application of lipstick and end up with an unflattering result. In this tutorial, we will be providing a step-by-step guide on how to use lipstick properly. Step 1. Choose the right lipstick. The first step in using lipstick properly is to choose the right shade and type of lipstick. The right shade of lipstick should complement your skin tone and match the occasion. You should also consider the type of lipstick you are using, whether it is matte, glossy, or creamy. Matte lipsticks tend to last longer, while glossy and creamy lipsticks provide more moisture and shine. Step 2. Prep your lips. Before applying lipstick, it is important to prep your lips. This involves exfoliating and moisturizing your lips. Exfoliating helps to remove any dead skin cells on your lips, while moisturizing helps to keep your lips hydrated and smooth. You can exfoliate your lips using a lip scrub or by gently brushing your lips with a soft-bristled toothbrush. For moisturizing, you can use a lip balm or lip conditioner. Step 3. Apply lip liner. Lip liner is an essential step in using lipstick properly. Lip liner helps to define your lips and prevent lipstick from bleeding or feathering. Choose a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade or is a shade lighter. Start by drawing a line around the edge of your lips, starting from the cupid's bow and working your way outwards. Fill in the rest of your lips with the lip liner. Step 4. Apply lipstick. Now that you have prepped your lips and applied lip liner, it is time to apply your lipstick. Start by applying the lipstick at the center of your lips and work your way outwards. You can use a lip brush or apply directly from the lipstick tube. Be sure to apply evenly and avoid applying too much lipstick. Step 5. Blot your lips. After applying lipstick, it is important to blot your lips. Blotting helps to remove any excess lipstick and prevent it from smudging. You can blot your lips using a tissue or blotting paper. Simply press the tissue or blotting paper against your lips and then release. Step 6. Apply a second coat. If you want a more intense color, you can apply a second coat of lipstick. However, be sure to blot your lips again before applying the second coat. Step 7. Finish with lip gloss. If you want a more glossy finish, you can apply lip gloss over your lipstick. Lip gloss helps to add shine and moisture to your lips. You can apply lip gloss directly from the tube or use a lip brush. Step 8. Maintain your lips. To maintain your lipstick, it is important to take care of your lips. This involves reapplying lipstick when needed, keeping your lips moisturized, and avoiding activities that can cause your lipstick to smudge or fade. You should also remove your lipstick before going to bed using a makeup remover. Conclusion. In conclusion, using lipstick properly involves choosing the right shade and type of lipstick, prepping your lips, applying lip liner, applying lipstick, blotting your lips, applying a second coat, finishing with lip gloss, and maintaining your lips. With these simple steps, you can achieve a flawless and long-lasting lipstick look. Remember to experiment with different shades and types of lipstick to find the perfect look for you. Thank you for watching Fashion ABC. We hope you've enjoyed our content and have been inspired to try new styles and explore your own fashion sense. Remember, fashion is not just about following trends, it's about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. Stay tuned for more fashion tips, tricks, and trends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you for your support and for being a part of the Fashion ABC community. We look forward to continuing this fashion journey with you.